Afternoon class. Myself Umesh R. Rathore, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. Today in a class, I am going to present a topic of Introduction to Industrial Engineering of the subject Industrial Engineering, subject code 3351904. Let me have start with introduction. Industrial engineering draws upon the principle and method of engineering analysis and synthesis. It analyzes the information of method, time for process, cost of process, and resources of the process. With above data, the question in our mind, for what reason we analyze it? So, the answer is to eliminate waste of time, money, material, energy, and other resources. Industrial engineering is also known as operation management because it work related to manage process, time, investment, etc. It is also known as production engineering due to it work related to production and manufacturing engineering depending on viewpoint or motives of the user. Finally, it analyzes the data and combine them to eliminate waste of time, money, material, energy, and other resources. Let me have a look definition of it. The first definition says that it is the branch of engineering that deals with the design of something new, product or machineries, improvement in existing process or modifying them, and installation for implementation of integrated system in industries. Or in other words, the second definition of industrial engineering says that it is the branch of engineering that concerns the development of sources, ideas, man, machine, material, money, etc. Improvement in sense of work, implementation to do something new, and evaluation of integrated system of people, knowledge, equipment, energy, material, and processes. Okay, so next topic is what are the objectives of industrial engineering? Industrial engineering has the following objectives. The first one is it is an established method for finding something new, for improving operation and controlling production costs by analyzing the different data. The second one is developing ways to reducing cost by implement new method, sources and skills. The third one is researching ways to improve efficiency of processes by introducing new level of production, skills and automation. And the last one is improving production process and simultaneously ensuring worker safety by provide them hygienic area, food, clothes for their work and by provide them insurance for their safety. Now, what is the approach of industrial engineering? An industrial engineer has to carry out certain tasks when analyzing an activity. This include gathering and analyzing facts by collection of facts using recording techniques like chart, diagram and models. For what reason? To check the system is run under the specific requirement. The next step is examining the facts by asking series of questions and brainstorming ideas for preparing alternate solution. Why it is required? To develop new things and modification or improvement in existing one. For considering internal and external constraints. And the last one is after that selecting best solution for any problem if one method doesn't work. The last one, the Few techniques of industrial engineering. The first one is work study. It is the combination of process and time consuming. Method study. Method of suitable process. Work measurement related to time for process. Motion economy. Describe motion while processing. Value analysis related to cost. Production planning and control related to schedule work and control. Inventory control for fine investments. Job evaluation to classify jobs. Material handling related to transportation and ergonomics, combination of work and motion economy. Thank you, class. Thank you for listening me carefully.